It's the most wonderful time of the year. No, but like really, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Pinzo. If you guys don't know who I am, if you do, thank you for coming back. I very much appreciate it. And it is very much my favorite time of the month. It is time for our December Boxycharm unboxing. So as you guys know, or if you should, if you followed this channel for a little while, if you haven't, you totally should. Please hit that subscribe. But this month I'm also expecting a yoga club. However, I forgot to change my mailing address, so it's gonna come here, but it's not gonna get here until after I'm home for break. So I'm probably going to actually unbox that in January, either when I get back here for break, or I might pull a day trip here and grab the box. So yeah, just know that when you do finally see that yoga club unboxing, it is going to be for the month of December, not January, but it probably will not be coming until January. So just something to keep in mind. But yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. My desk is a hot disaster right now because it's covered in makeup and Christmas gifts, and there's no room to function as a human being on this desk right now. So all of these products are just going to go straight onto my bed. I literally leave for home in 2 days, and I could not be more excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling so homesick. So homesick. Also, sorry for the weird lighting. I have my window open, and it's like that time of day where like the sun is just, it's right there. Yeah, so this is a little bit of a bigger box than normal. They did upgrade their size, I think, so. And the theme of the box is Boxycharm Whimsy. So I'm going to put it on my lap. Okay, so we have, oh, that's right. So we have a Storybook Cosmetics palette. We have the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. We have a Ciate Marbled Light Blush. We have an Aesthetica Brush Cleaner and Conditioner. And we have a Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing that I'm seeing is the Saturday Skin Glacial Waterfall Cream. Or excuse me, Glacier Water Cream. So it looks like it's a moisturizer. Yeah, place moisturizer under the palm of your hand. Use 4 fingers to apply an outward circular motion, tapping it into skin. So I'm really excited for this. I've heard of the brand Saturday Skin. I've just never used them before, and I just love the way this is packaged. The frosted pink glass, and you guys know me, I'm all about hydration. So this is super exciting. This is one of the things that when I saw a variation, I saw that this was in there. I was really, really hoping that I would get this. So I'm very, very happy that I did, and I cannot wait to try this out. I just want to feel it. Make a cute little like tab. Oh my god. I can already tell what this reminds me of. Oh, yes. Ooh, that feels so good. Oh, this reminds me of the Tarte H2O, like Tarte Drink of H2O cream that you guys know I absolutely adore. Oh, I'm so excited. Doesn't have a smell, which is good for people who don't like scented things. Alright, so now we're going to pull out the Ciate Marbled Light Blush. So we had an option of 3 choices. Oh, I just remembered. The Saturday Skin product that I got, I actually got, just the camera. I actually got to choose it. So if you guys have a Boxycharm, or again, you follow me for the past month or so, you know that we get to choose one item from our box every month now, and I forgot that I actually did choose that item. So, yay. Alright, anyway, back to this. The Ciate Marbled Light Blush. Add radiance and color in one simple step. And this is in the color Dusk. I've never had a marbled blush before, and I'm kind of really excited for it. Ooh, that's so pretty. It looks like it's going to be a darker blush, which is exciting. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's, you can kind of see it right there. It's a very light color, but it's very buildable. It does lean towards the deeper side. It's like a medium to darkish pink. Very exciting. I've been using the same blush for the past 3 months, so it'll be good to kind of switch it up and try something else. Okay, so next we have the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. So this is kind of scary because you guys know me. I don't tend to play with my brows. So this might be one that like I have someone else test on me. But it looks like there's brow powders and brow gel, and then it comes with this cute little brush. So this actually is a really cute little pack. I just don't use brow items very often. Apply the brow powder in short light strokes for a defined look with the flat side of the brush. Define the brow line using the matte brow lift by gliding the brush over brow bone directly under eyebrow, and then gently blend it in skin. And then, okay, it's a brow gel. So you pick the powder that'll work best for you, and then you apply this under your brow, and then you set your brows with the brow gel. So it is a really, really cute little pack. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this, so I might actually just re-gift this to a friend, and I can actually kind of think of who right away. But I do appreciate this, and I think this is a really, really cool kit, and so if you're someone who actually does brows, I think this will be a really good product. So I'm going to put it back in this box, and I'm going to re-gift it. So next we have, just lost the blush. So next we have the brow cleanser and conditioner. So those, I guess this is, I mean, it is kind of what it says it is. It's from the brand Aesthetica. It's to remove accumulated makeup and dirt, and then restore your brushes to their original luster and shine, and prolong the life of your favorite makeup tools. This is really cool. I've never had a brush conditioner before. You guys know me. I'm not super great at cleaning my brushes. I'm getting better, but I'm not great. So this will be really, really good for cleaning my brushes. I actually, that's one of those things that I was going to do like when I got home for winter break, is I was going to clean my brushes. So this will be really, really good to do that way. And now, the best for last. I am so excited. I've always wanted to try Storybrooke Cosmetics, and they sent me the Robin Hood palette. So I think they had like the Robin Hood, and I think it was a red palette was the other one. First of all, I know that this packaging is like a little excessive, but it is just so stinking cute. I can't get over it. Like, I love this so much. And then this is the palette inside. It comes with a little mirror on the one side, and it says, "Mirror, mirror, here I stand, who is the fairest in the land." And then this is the palette right here. So definitely very foresty, like dark woods vibes to it, and I think that is really, really cool. I love these greens down here at the bottom, and this gold is beautiful, and this is going to make a perfect transition shade in the crease. I love that a lot. So we have the color Maid Marian, Quiver, Nottingham, Forest, Merry Men, and Robin Hood. And I think since this is a small palette, I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of them for you. So they feel very soft and buttery. Okay, so we have the shade Maid Marian, Quiver, Nottingham, Forest, Merry Men, and then Robin Hood is up here. So this is a really, really good palette, especially for someone who, like me, greens pop on their eyes. So this is going to be really, really cute. And again, I just adore the packaging. I just think that is absolutely beautiful. So that is everything that came in my Boxycharm for the month of December. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If there's anything you want to see me do a tutorial on, or see me test out in a video, please let me know in the comments down below, or you can DM me on Instagram, Twitter, any of those, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, everybody.